Hi, I'm RJ and welcome back to my mythos. Today I have the Glossybox for October 2022 UK edition and it is a special design. Ooh. So this is the Written in the Stars glossy box. I got the purple version. There was also a green version, but the contents inside are exactly the same, so it doesn't actually matter if you get a different colour box. I like purple. And I do use the special boxes for keeping little bits of things in, so this'll get used for probably actually makeup stuff, because I've got a load of like little mini palettes that I don't really use that could do with being contained. So that's cute. You don't pay £15 a month just for a nice storage box, however. So let's dive in and see what is inside. While I remember, give this video a like and hit subscribe. And let's go. So, first thing in here is a Steve Laurent Orchid Lip Oil. Hang on. That is this little box. You can see it comes with his name on it, and this is the product itself. So I have put this on already. As you can see, it's got a nice shine to it. I'm not convinced it's lip oil. I think it's more of a lip gloss because it is thick. So if I pull it out, you can see, yeah, that's thick. It's got a nice little doe foot. It's not meant to be green, it's because I've put it over green lipstick, so there is some staining, but that is from my face, not from the product. But yeah, that to me, that sort of viscosity, that's a lip gloss, not a lip oil. Lip oils are a lot thinner. We got a beautiful one, got about 18 months ago now probably, from the Beauty Crop, called the Wee Cherie lip oil. Beautiful, love it, really thin, glides on lovely. This went on a bit claggy, a bit sticky, but it has dried down quite nicely, and oh no, yeah, it doesn't pass the hair test. Yeah, okay, maybe I shouldn't have done that. It's fine, it's cute, it's nice and comfortable, which I will give it. I don't particularly like lip glosses because I find them really uncomfortable to wear, but this one's okay. I would like to try it out on bare lips, see if it makes a difference, because I think maybe having the lipstick underneath it's probably not the best way to go. But yes, this is the Steve Laurent Orchid Lip Oil, and it retails for £16, which I'm assuming means this one is a full size. So that is the first product in here. Next, we have a Bye Bye Eye Plump Eye Cream. I think it's pronounced bye-bye. It's B-Y-B-I. Don't know if that'll focus on it. No, it won't. Yeah, I think it's bye-bye, B-Y-B-I. But it's an eye plump. It's an eye cream. There's not really much to say about it. It plumps out your wrinkles. But this one is enriched with broccoli extract and evening primrose oil, which is weird. Sorry, my cat just wandered around behind me. Yeah, broccoli extract. Not sure about that. So hopefully it doesn't smell of broccoli. Let's see. Okay, so it's a nice thick cream, which is good. You want a nice thick layer with for your eyes, because then really works out those wrinkles. No, it doesn't smell of broccoli. Doesn't really smell much, just smells like skincare. It's apparently vegan as well, so if you're into your vegan beauty, yeah, that's okay. It feels really nice on the skin. So yes, I will use that because I have finally got through all the eye creams that Glossybox have sent me in the past. It's taken a long time. Yes, that is, it's worth £20 and you get 15ml, which is frankly extortionate, but there you go. That's why we get Glossybox, isn't it? So we can get these luxury things. So the next thing in here was a lucky dip. We could have got either a dry shampoo or a hairspray. I really wanted the dry shampoo because I obviously have brightly coloured hair and I try not to wash this too often. So dry shampoo is something I use all the time. Glossybox know I've got coloured hair because it's on my profile. And what I actually got was the hairspray. So this is the Percy & Reed Tame That Mane Frizz Fixer Spray. And it retails for £7.50 for 50 mils, which is extortionate. I'm fairly certain this must be a deluxe sample or a travel size, because the the dry shampoo has a bit on it that says that it is a deluxe mini, and it's the same price, the same size. But yeah, it's a hairspray. I'm fairly certain I've received this before, or if I've not received this exact one, I've definitely received hairspray from Percy & Reed. And the one I've got is really nice. It was, I think they gave us it at Christmas time last year, but it was a really light spray. But really, really held your flyaways in place. So let's see about this one. So it's a little click to open. Is that open? Okay, let's try. Oh, that is a bugger to get working. Oh god. Okay, so a few things. This is really, really hard to push down. So if you've got any kind of like arthritis issues or anything, you're going to struggle. Oh god, hang on. Okay, it lingers in the air, so it gets right to the back of your throat, and it smells awful. It smells like, oh god, you're probably not as old as me, but back in the 90s, like, Elmet hairspray that everybody used, that hairspray smell, that's exactly what this has. Yeah, no. It does, however, feel like it's a good hairspray. I don't think it is the one that we've had previously because it's nowhere near as light, and that had a proper lid with a nice sprayer. But it's not made my hair feel crunchy. I can feel it a little bit in the roots, but it feels okay. Okay, I think it'll be fine. I think it's hairspray. It's not worth £7.50. Go to Poundland, just get any old hairspray. Tresemme Freeze Hold is the best hairspray, and you get a giant can for like a £5. Go and get that instead. Don't waste your money on shit like this. Rant aside. Okay, so that's that. The next thing was also a lucky dip, according to... Oh, I'm looking down because I've scanned the card and I've got the leaflet up on my tablet, if you were wondering. But the next thing was also a lucky dip, and it was a bubble tea lucky dip. Now, bubble tea do a load of bath stuff, which are really, really nice. And you could have got one of two body washers, a pink or a green, or you could have got a coconut body lotion. Now, I do not use body lotion because my skin's fairly greasy naturally, so I don't need it. That would have just got handed off to somebody. So luckily I got the green body wash, and this has a little Libra sign on it, so it's themed towards the box, which is nice. And also Libra is my star sign, so I think that's probably why I ended up with this one, because my day of birth is on my Glossybox profile. It would be really cool if they got all the different star signs and everyone got a different one, but this one is the one that's in the photo, so I don't think that's the case at all. But if it is, and you got a different star sign, please do tell me down in the comments. So yes, this is a standard body wash. It's 100ml, and it's meant to smell like merrily and tangerine. It does smells a little bit tangerine-y. Smells a bit soapy, which, okay, so it's body wash, Ruth, of course it's going to smell like soap. I can smell a little bit of tangerine. I don't know what merrily smells like, or if I'm even pronouncing it right, so that might be what I'm smelling that gives it the soapy smell. It's fine. It costs £9.99 for this, which is ridiculous because Bubble tea are not an expensive brand. Like, we've had lots of stuff from Bubble Tea in the past, and they're like £3, £4 for like a bath fizzer. So why is it nearly £10 for this? This looks like something you'd get in a gift set with like maybe a body lotion and maybe like a little perfume or a soap or something, or a bath bomb. So maybe like 4 pieces for £10. That would make sense. This, no. But I do like bubble tea stuff, so I assume it's going to be pretty good. So I'm not mad about receiving this at all. There we go. So that is the tubular portion of things. We also have a little warming eye mask here from Beauty Pro. This is a single-use mask, self-heating. It's meant to, you know, reduce stress lines and calm your face. It does ask on the back here, says share your relaxing moments on Instagram, because God forbid we do anything that we don't put on the internet nowadays. Speaking of, find out if I share my relaxing moment by following my Instagram, RJMythosMU. Or RJ Mythos if you want to follow my art account. Anyway, so this is, it's worth £5. It's a single-use mask, and I love these things. I know I'm in the minority here, because people always complain when they get eye masks and sheet masks and stuff in Glossybox. I love receiving them because I just don't buy these things for myself. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy sitting and using that. So that is the 5 official things in the Glossybox for the month, according to the magazine. But then we also have an extra, which is a repeat product, which is a coffee scrub from Mind Tan. Yes, coffee scrub from Mind Tan. I don't use these. I'm going to say this is an exfoliator. You're meant to use them before you put fake tan on, but I'm this pale. If I fake tan, I look insanely ridiculous, so I just don't do it. I have used this exact product before, because we've had it in the Glossybox before, and it's fine. It's a bit gritty, so yeah, I'll either suck it up and use it on my legs and just be vaguely disappointed, or what I'll probably do is see if any of my my friends who do fake tan want to take it off my hands, because yeah, I'm not going to use it, and it's clearly just sort of put in to get rid of stock or fill up the boxes or something, make people feel like they've got an extra surprise treat. So yeah, I can't actually tell you how much this is even. It's probably about a £5 for this sachet. Shrug, make up your own price. Let's say it's worth 50 quid just to make us feel better. So yeah, that is the box for the month. The coffee scrub, the self-warming mask, the bubble tea body wash, the fixing spray from Percy and Reed, the Bye Bye eye cream, and the Steve Laurent lip oil cum lip gloss thing. Nice. Yeah, I'm okay with this month's box. Oh, I have a story for you as well. Last month I said I was okay with that box. I was not when I came to use everything. So I can't remember everything that was in that box. I know there was something body related in it that was crap. There was the Huda Glow foundation sample, which I'm currently wearing. It's awful. It looks okay on camera, but in real life it's a little bit too dark for my skin tone to start with. But that's fine because it's a sample. I thought it would be, and I've put some concealer on and lined it up. That's fine. But when I tell you I look like I have like dysentery or something, I've got such a glow that it doesn't look like a highlight or like these glow foundations that are now popular. It looks like I'm really ill. I can't explain it, but it looks vile. So I've put a lot of concealer on to try and just make it look normal, and then I've highlighted. And I go ham with highlighter. Like, I really, really love highlighter. But yeah, no, it's not where it's at, Huda. Sorry. Yeah, sorry. The thing I'm actually really pigged off about from last month, we got an eyelash serum. Now, I have really crappy eyelashes. Like, you can barely see my eyelashes. Currently, they've got green mascara on it, which is this is the Beetlejuice Revolution mascara. I love it. It's fantastic. It actually makes me look like I've got eyelashes. And it's bright green, which, you know, I love. But yeah, I tried out this eyelash serum thinking, great, I'm going to grow my eyelashes. Wonderful. Oh, did I badly break out. I had such a bad allergic reaction to it. I'll bob a picture in here of what my face ended up looking like. My eyes all swelled up, they went crusty, my skin like poofed and broke out all down my face. It was awful. So I emailed Glossybox and I went, hey, just letting you know, this is what happened. I don't know if it's an ingredient thing because there's no ingredients list, or I don't know if it's a batch problem. So I sent them the details and everything, and they cancelled my subscription. No explanation why, just cancelled my subscription and told me everything was sorted. So yeah, I learnt my lesson there. Don't report things to Glossybox. No, I did actually call them on it and went, you know, why have you done this? And apparently it was a system error. I work with systems, I work on a computer. I say it's a system error when it's something that I've done that I don't want to admit a fuck up that I've made. So I know exactly what that is, we all do. But anyway, I will be resubscribing for November. I will get a new subscriber discount apparently, so yay, slightly cheaper box, but you have no idea what's going to be in next month because there's no sneak peeks in the magazine. So yeah, that's fun. So yeah, if you have a massive allergic reaction to something, don't even bother reporting it to Glossybox. They don't care and they might just cancel your subscription. Anyway, so that's the roundup from last month. Right, I've got to go off and do some stuff, so I will sign off here. I hope you return to my mythos soon and enjoy whatever you're doing for the rest of the day, night, or whenever you happen to be watching this video. I will see you next month. Okay, bye.